So it's been 2 years and 2 months to the date since we've been out here for an OFL meeting. I'm older, I'm fatter, more tired and lazy, and did I mention I'm fatter?
It's horrible. It's not good on the joints, no.
Plus, pretty much my knee is like gone.
Great.
We're talking parts.
Let's not blow anything up.
There, he goes, yeah, you're headed to the parts department.
Let's not do that today. No parts being replaced. Let's keep it healthy, keep it happy. All smiles, gentlemen.
All right. Turn over. Okay, so we get at the door. Go.
The last time we tried to get drone footage, Ryan hit a tree.
Oh no. That tree right there.
Another dip!
First down.
I'm trying not to hit the ground.
Yeah.
Every ball you throw, I have to go to the ground for.
Relax.
Okay, Aaron Rodgers, I bet you're immunized.
Heads up. What is? You guys, thought you were brothers. You should have this like mental connection. We normally do, actually. Normally have the connection. Normally we know what each other's doing, but maybe we forgot it over the pandemic.
Ah, sorry, Ryan, that was on me. That was really bad. Really far out. I forgot you can't dive out like you used to.
Your arm shrunk.
Like I used to.
Oh shoot, we're in no man's land.
5-1000, go! Hey!
Holding the glasses.
That was nice.
That was great. Oh, you did not. Are you limping?
What are you talking about?
Are you
I don't know what you're talking about.
limping?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm still in my 30s.
You have 2 cats to feed.
I'm still in my 30s.
You work a physical job.
I'm still in my 30s.
Are you
I don't
limping? Look me in the camera lens and tell me.
Looking at the camera lens.
Are you limping?
I only look people in the eye. Hey, Tim.
What?
He's limping.
You're limping? I got this! Well, it's like on a lot of my throws, I'm just barely off. I need to just skate
There he
back
is.
a little bit.
He's in his 30s now, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm in my mid-30s. I'm already dying.
I'm setting up like a online profile for you.
Indestructible.
You're one of the newer OFL players.
Glasses.
Those are very classy glasses.
Thank you.
I'm worried they're going to get broken on the football field.
No, I'm simply too fast. Nobody can touch me.
Oh, I thought you were going straight, streak.
I had to try to get him off of me.
I mean, you think they'd be on the same page. They've played together for years.
Are you talking about us?
You and Taylor.
Happens.
Oh,
There he goes. Look at him. Look at him gallop.
finally someone's adjusted to my fourth throw.
Look at him gallop like a stallion. Red and red. What can red do for you?
Gotta work out the motion. So
Red versus red.
So you go like this and you go.
Charlie, can you really do that pose that he was doing on one?
The over the shoulder.
Oh yeah, there you
I just
go.
wanna fly. I wanna fly high to the sky. Odd numbers, man.
This is Taylor's first game.
I thought I knew how to
He's 45. He is not single.
Quarterback. I'll throw it to myself.
Sorry, ladies.
Hi.
But he seems to be pretty good at sports. I mean, I did too. But...
Oh, damn.
Ah, come on!
It was the amateur hour.
Good thing Theo isn't here.
At least my arm tried to catch it, though.
We'll make sure your son doesn't see that footage.
Yeah, no, he doesn't need it. That is not too Oh!
Oh, I missed it. I thought he was throwing it to Tim. Sorry. Amateur cameraman. That's what you get when Caitlin leaves.
Oh!
There you go. Apparently only Taylor can throw
That
that.
was on you.
That was on you, Charlie.
That was on me.
Because he caught everything Taylor threw to him. Oh, Tim's on the ground again. Oh, Tim's on the ground again.
Tim's on the ground again. What else?
Soak it in. Show us that gut. Come on, you can do it, Tim. How many times do you want to do the same play? Tim, you do know Alex is not on your team right now, right? Hat trick. Ah, there's some hockey reference for Taylor.
Yeah. No, basketball would be this.
No, yeah, LeBron. Like a guy, like you just like, hey, bud, and he's like, oh.
He looked at me. Ah! Oh, Butterfingers! And Tim's on the ground again.
Really, that was a little out of the reach.
We're gonna have Tim on the ground counter on the screen.
But it wasn't a pick.
I'm still waiting. I want to injure myself a little before I go.
Yeah.
Now the question is, will you come back, Taylor?
Oh yeah. I actually stopped playing football because I would get hurt every time.
Oh.
This has been an Orlick presentation of the OFL, Orlick Football League.